Manufacturing overhead. Justice Company's manufacturing overhead account is given below. Use this information to prepare the journal entry to adjust for overallocated or underallocated overhead. And then we have our manufacturing overhead of $148,000 debit, credit of $157,000. And so remember that this debit is our actual and this credit was the allocated. I need like a little pen here. Sorry, I don't have one. And so that means we underallocated by $1,000. And so we need this account to zero out at the end of the period. So we need to credit it for an additional $1,000 so that it's $148,000 on both sides. And so to do that, we know we're going to credit manufacturing overhead. And so we're going to debit cost of goods sold. And this is because we need to increase the cost of goods sold by that $1,000 that was underallocated because that expense belongs to the current period. On the other hand, if we would have over allocated manufacturing overhead, this transaction would have been flopped, just the accounts would have been on the opposite sides, and that's because we needed to decrease cost of goods sold by the amount that we over allocated.